This is the Aussie Naturals Reversible jacket. This dog we call Joe has opted for the red fleece. In this one, known as Agamemnon van Ulik III, has opted for the royal blue. Easy on, easy off. Adjustable drawstring, snug and form-fitting covering the belly. It's even machine washable. Watch Joe urinate. Natural behavior not hampered by the performance fleece. The fleece is untouched and does not turn yellow. What a fantastic product. The good news is that Agamemnon van Ulik III and Joe will survive this frigid Arctic winter, much in thanks to the Aussie Naturals Reversible Dog Jacket. What a concept. This concludes another Aussie Naturals Wild Adventure. I'm your host, Bill. Aussie Naturals!